connections test. Great, so now we're going to test whether the virtual machines installed will be able to see each other. So for this test, we'll be checking to see whether each virtual computer can communicate with the other virtual computers on the network. Now, for this purpose here, this test, it's enough to just check whether the virtual computers are on the same network and therefore then can ping each other. So we can check the network settings, or you can check them with a command line in order to check the IP value. So for me, I use a CLI because many programs used for penetration testing run through the command line. The command line command is an important advantage, and you know what? You'll get used to it because not all programs have GUI screens. So let's check the IP value from the command line. Now, of course, different operating systems have different ways, whether it's Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. For IP control on Linux and Mac OS, open up the terminal, write ifconfig on the command line, press enter. And then on the incoming screen, you can see the computer IP. IP control for Windows computers. Open the command line, click Start, and write in cmd, click cmd.exe, open the command line, write ipconfig in the command line, and press enter. And you can see here that we have the computer IP on this incoming screen. So now open VirtualBox. Click on the Kali Linux virtual machine on the left-hand side of the VirtualBox screen. And click Start from above. And then after opening Kali Linux, you can log in by entering the username and password. Now click Terminal on the desktop. Open Terminal and check IP information. Just type ifconfig. Great, so once Metasploitable opens, you can put in the username and password. And on the incoming screen, write and check the information by typing ifconfig. Click on the Ubuntu virtual machine on the left-hand side of the VirtualBox screen. And after Ubuntu opens, you can log in by entering the username and password. Now click Show Applications. Search Run Terminal. Press Enter. And when the terminal opens, you can check the IP information by typing ifconfig. Now click on the Win7 virtual machine on the left-hand side of VirtualBox. And click Start from above. And then after Windows 7 opens, you can enter the username and password. And click the Start button. Write CMD in the search bar, enter, and the command line opens. So now you can type ipconfig on the command line, and then you can check the IP information. Okay, so now we need to test that the Kali Linux virtual system can communicate with the other virtual systems over the network. So open up Kali Linux for this. Click Terminal. Now we need to ping the IP address of the Metasploitable computer. So to do this, enter ping 10.0.2.4 and press enter. And the display will show that the ping packets are gone. So in this case, communication is taking place. Ping the IP address of the Ubuntu computer and just enter ping 10.0.2.7 and press enter. And the ping packets are gone. So in this case, again, communication is taking place. So now we'll ping the address of the Windows 7 computer, enter ping 10.0.2.5, press enter. Now look at the display. The ping packets did not leave here because the ping requests are blocked on the firewall of a Windows 7 computer. So that means that in this case, we need to employ reverse communication. So just enter Windows 7 and click the Start button. And in the search field, just enter command. Command line opens. Now here, just enter the IP address of the Kali Linux computer. So that means enter ping 10.0.2.5 and press enter. Okay, so now we see that the ping packets are gone. So in this case, we know that our communication is working.